If you're getting issues here with Valorant and the mouse is actually bugging out and it's stuck at the top left or in the corners of your screen here, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here. Now, first things first is you may want to switch to a different window. So to do that, you just need to press Alt Tab on your keyboard and see if that actually switches to a different window. Now, if it switches to a different window, as you can see here now, what you need to do is you want to go just press on Valorant again, and that should solve your issue. But if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to press the following keys. So that's going to be Control Alt Delete, and you should see a pop-up here. Now in your screen it's going to be black. You want to go and choose the option here that says Task Manager, and once you do chosen Task Manager here, you should be able to see this pop up here. You just need to look for Valorant. So in this case, you want to go and just look at it, right click on it, and just choose End Task. Now once you've ended the task, that should close Valorant, and you can go and just open it up again, and that should solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.